Hello, we are Genau AutoWerks, the original Bring a Trailer local partner here in the San Francisco Bay Area. We're excited to present to you today this 1966 Triumph TR4A. Let's check it out and discuss some of the details after a cold start and a brief drive. Thank you. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, this incredible 1966 Triumph TR4A. The Micheletti design of the TR4A shows great in this sparkling, clean example's classic Triumph racing green finish, which it wears over a nicely appointed black leather interior, and a fresh white soft top tops it all off. It's a great looking car, but the real treat here is its incredible mechanicals. The 2.1-liter motor was rebuilt in 2015. At the same time, it was also fitted with a Moss Motors Supercharger kit, supporting mods such as upgraded radiator and a refreshed cooling system, along with fresh brakes, makes for a truly special, classic British sports car that looks and drives better than almost any other vintage roadster around. Live on Bring a Trailer right now. Go to GenauAutoWerks.com for more information. Thank you.